So at this point, you should have added and shown equations to make one whole, just like we did with 1/4 plus 3/4 equals my 1, 2, 3, 4 over 4, which is also my whole. So I wanted us to do the same thing with thirds. So what I did here is I cut up my paper into 3 parts, or in thirds. So this is 1 part of my whole. So 1 over, I know 1, 2, 3 parts that made up my whole total. So 1 over 3, just like this would be 1 over 3, and this would be 1 over 3. They're each a third. 1/3 because they make up my whole. They each have 1 part with 3 parts that make up my whole total. So one equation that I can do is I could write 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 and figure out what does that equal, because I know that 1, 2, 3, I'm only adding up my numerator, which is my number on top, is my numerator, only adding that, so I have 3 over 3. My denominator is going to stay the same. So if I have 3 over 3, so that's 3 parts, with 3 parts that make up my whole, I know that 3 over 3 is equal to 1. So at this point, you should have a good understanding of what types of fractions can make up my whole. I really want us to remember that if a number, my numerator is the same as my denominator, that means that it's 1 whole, because I have all of my parts that I need to make up my whole. So what I would like for you to do now is to complete pages 353. That's what I should have for my class to be sending to me. And I also want to see the different ways that you were able to make one whole. So once you're completed with that, I want to have both of those scanned and sent to me by tonight. That way I make sure that we're all on task. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to myself, Miss Antoine, Miss Palermo, or Miss Spears, and we'd be happy to help.